Hi friends, welcome to my channel Code Jiffy. Now let's learn about stream in Java. Let's learn about how to create stream in Java. Before moving forward, let's know some introduction part about streams in Java. So in Java, a stream is a powerful and flexible abstraction for working with sequences of data. It was introduced in Java 8 as a part of the Java Stream API. Okay, streams provide a high level declarative way to process data in a functional style. Okay friends, so friends, we can create a stream from various types of collections such as list, set or map. So let's see code example, creating a stream using list. Okay, so first of all, let's create a list of fruits with name. Friends, let's create one string array with the name fruit array. Okay, string array, the name of the array will be fruit array, and add the elements, add the fruits. Okay, the fruits will be apple, banana. So friends, here I have added fruits in our string array with name fruit array. So let's create a list from this fruit array. So let's type list of string, name of the list will be fruits. Use the method arrays dot as list. Okay, and pass the name of the string array as fruit array, because our string array name is fruit array. Okay, so let's save the code, delete the spaces. Fine friends, now let's create a stream from the list. The name of the stream will be fruit stream. Stream of string, give the name of the stream as fruit stream. Okay, equal to, now call the method stream on the list fruits dot stream. Save the code. Now let's perform the operations on the stream. So fruit stream dot filter fruit lambda operator fruit dot, yes, star with, pass the character a. Okay, dot call the for each loop, sorry, let's use the for each operation. Okay, for each system dot out method reference double colon print ln. Okay friends, now friends, let's break down our code from line number 10. So here we create a stream of strings, name fruit stream, by invoking the stream method of the on the fruits list. Okay, so these steps allow us to work with the elements in the list as a stream. Later on we perform two stream operations on fruit stream. The first one is filter. This is filter operation. This operation filters the elements in the stream, retaining only the elements that start with the letter A. Okay, and then we perform the for each operation, which prints each filtered element to the console using the system.out println double colon println method reference. Okay, so friend, with these steps we create list from an array of fruit names and then create a stream from that list, and finally we filter and print elements from the stream based on a specific condition starting with letter A. Okay friends, so let's run our code. So friends, here is the output. Our output is apple. We filter the element starts with A, which is apple. So in this way we can create a stream by using list in Java. Okay friends, so we will learn more about stream in our next video. Thanks for watching the video. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel Code Jiffy. Keep coding, happy coding. Thank you once again.